How to log in ChatGPT without phone number. Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video on this channel. Logging into ChatGPT without your phone number is quite easy because you don't really need a phone number just to log in, because when you sign up for ChatGPT, you've already used the number. Just search for chat.openai.com, tap on login, type in your email address, tap on continue, type in your password and you will be logged in. But if you're trying to sign up to ChatGPT without using your own phone number, there is a different way. Open up a new tab on your browser and search for temporary phone number. List of results will open up. You can choose any website, and this way you can get temporary numbers from different countries. You can just select any country that you want and just tap on the number on the top. Now this way you won't need to use your own personal number. You can use this temporary number to sign up for ChatGPT. So that's the way that you can log in to ChatGPT or sign up to ChatGPT without using your own phone number. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, be sure to subscribe, share and also give this video a thumbs up. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.